God, that heart attack was so scary. I'm glad I survived. Babe, what's wrong?
That nurse's hands were all over you.
Babe, I literally had a heart attack.
Honestly knew you were gonna say that.
Yeah, well, that's what happened. I would hope you knew that.
Well, I saw her kiss you.
Babe, I couldn't breathe. It's called mouth to mouth.
Oh, is that what they're calling it nowadays?
Yeah, it's what they've always called it.
What about when she took your pants off?
Okay, that literally never happened.
You're a fucking liar. I know what I saw.
Okay, babe, like, I almost died and you're upset.
Whatever,
Like,
I don't care. It's fine. Period per.
okay, sweet. Let's go get some food. I'm starving.
Okay, I just think it's funny that, like, you, like,